want to do one like
You know
on
I love
spot?
you,
I should have probably already started.
and I know you love me.
It's really close.
So I
I can't do this. It's like Christmas.
You know you're mine.
You do look like a celeb next to us with your headscarf and glasses.
Really? Is it too extra?
Yeah. No, I love it.
Little Bo Peep.
So it's gonna cover
Oh,
your...
everybody hates that.
No, I do. I don't know. It like icks me. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Wrapped around your
So funny.
still got your taste in
Oh, wait, do a spin of the fin. You guys are so cute. You have the glasses changed too. So cute, do a spin. So cute.
'Cause baby you're mine. Cross your heart, hope to die. Signing it in blood. Baby you can't escape my sight. 'Cause you're
Oh no, it's in here. Oh my god, let me just start crying.
when all else fails, I count all the times you said you loved me, and all the times you let me down. We'll get even somehow. We'll get by, either dead or alive. 'Cause baby you're mine. Cross your heart, hope to die. Signing it in blood. Baby you can't escape my psycho love. What? It's me you're thinking of. No, baby, you can't escape my psycho love.
So cute. Oh my god. Oh wait. We ended the night with the Lana concert, which was a big deciding factor of going to Coachella this year because it was actually my first year, but I have been the biggest Lana fan since 2012. I remember the first time I heard her and she really just altered my brain chemistry. Anyway, the next few minutes are just a Lana concert. All of my footage from the day and the trip is just Lana and capturing how beautiful and magnetic and surreal the entire experience was. So enjoy.
Gangsta too, and it takes two to tango. You don't wanna mess with me, baby. I'm a gangsta too. Baby, I'm a gangsta too. Baby, I'm a gangsta too. All the special times spent with you, my love, they don't mean shit compared to all your tries. And I never really want much more than like my memories and my copyrights and these desert nights. I don't need time. I'll wait for you, babe. Don't find cause I'm ready when I cry. I'm ready when I That's the way my father lived his life and
The next morning we took it easy because we were very tired from the night before, and we just went to go get our Neon Carnival wristbands so we could get ready for the night. I'm going to show you our Airbnb. So we were staying in Joshua Tree. This was the cute little entrance of the Airbnb. It was so cute on the inside. It felt so deserty and just soft and peaceful and aesthetic to come home to after so much chaos during the day. It would have been fun to light the fireplace because it actually gets pretty cold at night up there. I think it was like in the 50s or 60s, and in the daytime well close to 100 degrees. And then this was the kitchen. It was so beautiful, and even the lighting in here just truly isn't captured super well. The outdoor area was so cute. There was a family of bunnies living in our backyard, and they were tiny little baby bunnies. It was the cutest thing ever. So I woke up in the morning and was having my coffee while I was watching the little animals play and hop through the bushes in the yard. It was so precious. So we got a 2-bedroom place to stay for the 3 of us. This was the guest bathroom, and the decor was so unique. I've never seen a sink like this. It was very interesting. And the shower, oh my god, you guys are not ready. It was pink. It was so cute. And the gold fixtures were just so aesthetic and beautiful, and we definitely needed this after the day that we had. Like, I was covered in dirt. This was the master bedroom, so me and Emily were staying in here. Very just soft and peaceful and artsy and feminine and deserty. I loved the place we stayed. The chair was so cute, and I loved the light colored wood floors and the natural lighting. This was our bathroom, and it actually had this really cute tub. I mean, we weren't gonna take a bath in here because, you know, I don't know, bathing in dirt just was not the vibe, but it was super cute regardless. And then this was Heather's room. She had her own bed, and it was just very soft and deserty in here as well. The decor was on point, and I love these wispy curtains. They just really understood the peaceful desert assignment.
Unstoppable highs, this on is forever. Long summer nights where I'm light like a feather, then fall to the ground like a coin down a well. For the rest of my life, I'll linger in hell. If this is the top and the rest is down.
Wait, it's saying something. Wait, it's still taking. I don't don't think it's working. Wait.
The future right now with you guys. Okay? And I want to do this next song with the band here with No Doubt. We wrote this song back at the Beacon Street House in Anaheim, California. And I feel like, you tell me, but I feel like this song just possibly could be more relevant now than it's ever been. But you tell me. You tell me. What you looking at? You looking at me?
I forgot to take a video on day 3, but this was my outfit. And then the very next day we left on Monday and we went to get breakfast with the girls. Benedict's, hash browns, coffee, so much coffee. I was in desperate need. And this black coffee was my best friend. And then we headed home and that was it. It was such a fun time. Like, I'm already dreaming of next year. And if you guys went, comment who you liked the most because it was honestly hard to decide. Alright, bye guys. I'll see you in the next one.